great idea for a spice cake, and we're gonna see how this comes out. So on Fun with Fuelings today, we are going to make a sweet potato spice cake. Welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Elizabeth and I am documenting my weight loss journey using Optavia's 5-in-1 program. As part of the 5-in-1 program, you eat 5 fuelings a day, which come to you pre-packaged in your monthly Optavia box. Now you can take those fuelings and make them just like it's directed on the package by adding water. Sometimes it's a shake, so you do it in a blender. Sometimes it's a cookie, and so you bake it in the oven or you put it in the microwave. But what I am going to do is I'm going to take 3 different fuelings, combine them together just using water, and make 3 fuelings out of that combination. So I'm taking 3 fuelings. I will end up with 3 fuelings, but it'll be parts of each of those 3 combined into one. Before I show you those ingredients though, let me invite you to like this video and to subscribe to my channel. I put out videos that are unboxing, weekly reality checks where I let you know how I'm doing, lots of recipes, fueling ideas, lean and green meal ideas, tips and tricks. So if that's the kind of information that you're looking for, some encouragement on your weight loss journey, then please subscribe to my channel. So in order to make this, I am going to take the cinnamon cream cheese swirl cake and the honey sweet potatoes with brown sugar and cinnamon. And then I'm also going to use the cinnamon sugar sticks. So the first thing that I need to do is I need to crush up the cinnamon sticks. And the easiest way to do that is to open the bag so there's a little air in there. And then I'm going to take this small rolling pin. This used to have handles on it, but I've kept it because it's a really good beater. And I'm just going to smash these cinnamon sticks until they're small pieces. All right, all smashed up. I'm going to actually weigh. It does say that it's 1.16 ounces or 33 grams. I'm just going to go ahead. I'm going to set this for grams, because sometimes those are easier to divide. And I'm going to just dump now the crushed fuelings. See what I get. It's really only 30 grams. I don't know where the 33 came from. So the first thing that I'm going to do is I'm going to take 1 ramekin at a time, and I'm going to put 10 grams of this crushed up mixture in the bottom. Well, that was not very smart. I didn't zero that one out, so that one's going to get whatever's left. That's 4, that's 8, 9, there's 10. So there's 10 grams for that. I have my oven preheating to 375. 7, 9, 10. There's that one, and then this one's just going to get what's left. And again, just spread it out in the bottom. All right, so that's taken care of. Set that back to 0. Bowl on there, zero that out. Then I'm going to dump in the cinnamon cream cheese swirl cake. This one, the peanut butter, the double peanut butter crisp bar, and the cheddar and herb biscuit are my 3 favorite fuelings. And I will be really sad when the biscuit and the cinnamon cream cheese swirl cake are discontinued. All right, so those are going in there. It says 61 grams, 62 grams. Okay, I'm going to add 6 tablespoons. So I've done these combos in the past. I do the cookies, the same basic procedure. I'm gonna do 6 tablespoons of water. And I'm weighing this out because I need to be able to divide this evenly. So there's 4, and then 2 more. And what I'm gonna do is, just to be really smart, I'm gonna make sure that whatever number I end up here is divisible by 3. All right, that says 154 grams, which means, no, 155, I need to get it to 156. There we go, 156 grams, which means 52 grams per is what that's gonna be. That's the little quick division. I'm just gonna mix this together. All right, so my mixture is, I've got the cake and the sweet potatoes are all mixed together. I am going to put 52 grams in each one. And I'm gonna kind of scoop it in so I don't displace a lot of the crunch at the bottom. 40. 49, 50, oh, 52 right there. Good. Let me clean this off. And I'm just gonna give it just a slight spread to the edges. These are the little paper ramekins that come, and trust me, if you have not figured this out already, you're going to have more of these than you need. Because a lot of times I make cookies out of those Fuelings, and so I don't even use them. All right, so again, 52. And then I'm gonna toss these into the oven for 18 minutes. Let's see what they look like at 18 minutes. Based on my previous experience, that's about the amount of time that it needs. So I'm gonna put these in for 18 minutes. The good news is that I'm scheduled to have a fueling in the next 45 minutes. So by the time these have cooled off enough, I will be able to do a little taste test for you to tell you how they come out. So I will see you back here in just a few seconds for you. These look fantastic. So this is what they look like. I'm going to flip this one out, and then I will tell you, so it's got all the little crumbles, which I'm going to put on the top. So I think this is gonna be good the way that it is, and I'm gonna try it here in just a second. But I think next time I would mix the cinnamon sticks into the batter, and that way they'll just be another crunchy element inside. But this is gonna be fine the way it is. Let me just have a little taste. Yeah, this is like a pumpkin, sweet potato, cinnamon coffee cake. It's really good. So these are gonna go cool off, and I'll pop them in the refrigerator so that I can have them later. I probably will have one of them as my nighttime fueling. I can definitely taste the sweet potato now. At first, all I got was the cinnamon, but it's really tasty. So I hope you'll give it a try. It's a great way if you don't like the sweet potato very much, but you have some hanging around. It's a great way to use that up, because it tastes really good. So give it a try. Give this video a thumbs up. And until I see you next time, please live in the light.